fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this video started. Get you guys a little bit of box action. Let it focus. Doesn't want to focus, so we're starting like that on camera. These are the Air Jordan 13 Retros. Gem red, flint gray, and white. Found these just sitting at a store. I had sold all the pairs I originally got. Kept one pair for staring. But now I have a pair for wearing, so I'll actually be able to wear this shoe. I don't know why people don't like it. But like I said, they're sitting. I might go pick up a couple more pairs. So if you're interested in any pairs of these, let me know. I'll be able to get my hands on them. Jordan 13s are cool. In my opinion, they last if you treat them good. This colorway is a reverse of one of my favorite colorways of the Jordan 13, so I really don't mind it. I'm getting back into Jordan 13s because as I went through my collection, the Jordan 13s have stood the test of time in my collection. A whole bunch of unworn, pristine Jordan 13s. Leaving the 5s alone, I'm trying to find a new Jordy. You guys can see all the incandescent features on the shoe 3M. Look at how it pulsates. Oh yeah, man, see. You gotta always look at your shoes in different lights to let you know what you're getting. This shoe is full of 3M, as you can see. So you'll be protected, night jogging, or whatever it is that they put the 3M on there for. Give you guys one more spin with the light up. Talk about the shoe. Materials on this shoe are the tumbled leather, little fabric material they put on here. Everything is just simply awesome on this shoe, in my opinion. Like I said, I don't know why you guys are leaving them sitting. I saw worse Jordans than this fly off the shoes, like the woman's coconut or whatever came last week. Everybody went crazy for them. I didn't really like them myself. I bought only one pair just to have in the collection. Let me give you guys a side silhouette. It's outstanding materials, guys. Like I said, go and pick these shoes up right now if you can. And I didn't go for too much over retail on StockX, like 20 bucks. But alright guys, let's get on with the next shoe. Alright guys, let's get on with this next shoe. Get you a little bit of box action. This is the Air Jordan 1 Comfort. That's a stadium green, black, and white. This is a eBay purchase, so let me make sure I take out the eBay shoe. eBay, guys, when you guys are re-wrapping these shoes, you guys need to put the stuff back in the box the way it originally came. A lot of people are saying that you're destroying their stuff in the boxes. Mine was a little bit kind of weirdly wrapped. Get this light out. We'll start with the light out first. The shoe seems to have a ton of errors. You can see it's still, we got eBay verified though. So I think the errors are in the production. Looks like the holes on the toe box are gouged out badly. I hope you guys can see that. Like they took a needle and did it. The shoe is suede and fabric. I like this colorway. Move it into the light for you guys. This colorway to me is okay. Trying to get all of the Zoom comforts. I think I'm only missing one pair, and that's because some rare pair came out in Europe. I can't remember the name of it right now, but that's the pair I'm missing. I think I'm going to order them. Shoes seem to be getting cheap again, and now that Nike trademark the Air Force One, high, mid, and low. Going to see what happens. If the fakes are going to disappear, I doubt it though. They could just prosecute people more. said, this shoe reminds me of the Air Jordan. Pardon me, guys. The Air Jordan KOs. I definitely like this pair of the Zoom Comforts. Like I said, this is Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort. And let some type of stickiness go on the back of my shoe too. eBay, you guys got to tighten it up. It's good to have shoes verified, but you got to actually be verifying the shoe. There's more stuff you got to look at than just if the shoe is real. I recommend if you guys can pick these up, I picked these up, I believe, for way under retail. That's the only reason I'm not really complaining. You guys another side silhouette with the see when it's on your feet and the eBay tag. This, in my opinion, again, is another everyday wearer. You can get this off. The green is not too much. I should be able to match with Celtics or other green things. So you shouldn't have a problem wearing these shoes. Alright guys, let's get on to the next pair. Alright guys, let's get on with this last shoe. That's more small label action. This is the Air Jordan 6 Retro Black with electric green. A black and electric green. Wonder what these were. Forgot I got these. Definitely cut the light out because you know the 6s are a 3M'er. So we'll surprise you with the 3M'er. I don't really know how these did where I'm at. These sold out. I know they sold out online, but everything's selling out online. So really, what are we going to say about that? I think this is a good colorway. I have the Oregon's 6s. I think these are a copy of. It's one of my few PEs. I got this shoe just so I could sit it next to the PE. In my opinion, if you're going to wear them, I would rather you wear these than the PEs because they're ungodly expensive. I'm seeing a few flaws. It may just be dust on the shoe, but ooh, this suede on this shoe looks buttery. This leather. Everything, the whole shoe seems pretty decent. There's supposed to be a glow-in-the-dark bottom. I'm not going to take you guys through the glow-in-the-dark bottom, though. The paint work on this shoe isn't too good. I see a lot of paint errors. And this is on all the pairs I get. You're going to see a little bit of paint errors and glue around the outsole. Oh, with the light on, it's tremendous. Let's hope you guys can see some of the imperfections on the shoe. 3M is lighting up bright, beautiful. Even better than the Travis Scott in terms of the light up. Now people will be not able to see this shoe as much as the Travis Scott. When you have the light on, you can see a little glue here coming out. That's normal for a Jordan 6. As well as a couple paint errors, but like I said, it's still a good shoe overall. Not a bad shoe at all. I'm happy to have this pair of Jordan 6s. I just wish that the Jordan 6 would go the way of the Travis Scott and change more to the Travis Scott style. At least give you the pocket and the zipper up here. And put a couple things on the bottom. Or on the outsole. But as far as I can say, this is a good shoe. I'm happy to have this shoe in the collection. Okay, guys, the side silhouette. Alright, guys, remember to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see in the next video. We're going to be doing a couple other pairs of shoes. I got about 144 to go through. We're going to keep on pounding the shoes. I'm never going to reach the end. Took a couple days off and I'm behind more than ever. We're going to keep on rolling and keep the collection growing. You guys stay safe out there and have a nice day. Everybody fucking